In this question, you have to identify what type of joint is pivot joint present between atlas and axis. Option A, cartilaginous joint. It is incorrect because cartilaginous joints are connected by cartilage and they allow limited movement, such as the intervertebral disc between vertebrae. Option B, synovial joint. The pivot joint present between the atlas, that is C1, and axis C2 allows rotational movement, which is the characteristic of a synovial joint. And they are highly movable and they have a fluid-filled joint cavity. So it is the correct option. Option C, saddle joint. It is incorrect because saddle joint allows movement in two planes, such as the thumb joint. Option D, fibrous joint. It is also incorrect because fibrous joints are immovable or they allow very little movement, such as the sutures in the skull.